yeah, I like the mintiness. And the weird aftertaste. It's like metallic and plasticky. Like the aftertaste, like it goes into my nostrils. It works. It actually smells really refreshing and minty. It's like really nice. It works. Could be because it's cold, you know, because it was in the fridge at 4 Celsius, but yeah, this is great. Mega Monster. It's incredible. Jesus Christ. Hats off to Monster. This has to be my favorite. Like, if I were to pick the most, like the favorite one that's most similar to the original, this one is it. It's just the slightly bigger size, but somehow more refreshing. Mostly because of the cold, but you know, yeah, I like it, yeah. Nice. It holds closed well. That's good. Yeah, both of them move. Yeah, they're conjoined up. Yeah, if they keep making stuff like this, I will absolutely buy more. This is incredible. Honestly, I love this. This is great. Mm. That was barely a violent burp. That was great. Like the other one I tried, which was worse and very much worse than this one, and the worst one by far was like expired orange juice compared to this, or well, in general. This is incredible. This is just perfect. I love it. It's just great. I'm actually rooting for this. This is amazing. It's great. It's weird. I feel relaxed despite drinking this ginormous monster. It's like, it's insane. It's like, how is it still good? Like, keeping me calm. Okay. Yeah, I think I know what it is. It makes you hallucinate, maybe? I thought I saw a black figure. Could be just this. Hmm. So I feel calm, but I can tell my heart is going crazy right now. You can't even. Yeah, my heart is boom, 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 like crazy, but I feel completely relaxed. Oh, the burps are back. Okay, that took a while for the burp to happen. Okay, not bad. I gotta say, because of this design, this reusable design, which I'm very much a fan of, and it's less problematic, I gotta say. You can't look inside, which is good because it's like, I don't know, trying to think of something dumb. Like on the other cans, you have like this, I think it's like something like this. No, yeah, the entrance is like that big, and this is like this big. It's like a smiley, almost. Clown nose, one eye, suspicious. Um, so if it's like raining, this would very much be better to drink. If I, I don't know why you'd be drinking this in the rain. Maybe got broken up with, or maybe you're emo. Or goth, or maybe you're just a fanboy. I don't know. I like it, honestly. I'm a very big fan of Monsters. I'm just trying out their different types of products for now. Red Bull? I'll probably start theirs, like way later. I'll finish Monster and then I'll start doing a Red Bull taste test. Very much don't want to be caught with the big version. It's good. Oh, that's so strong. Jesus. You know, yeah, the taste is starting to get boring now. Yeah, every time you take the first couple of sips, it's like, oh my god, and then the more and more you do it, it's like this. Hold on, let me just see. It's like, okay, so it's inverted, so like this would be this. Okay, so the more and more you taste it, the more it just goes downhill until at the end, it's like you're so used to it, it's just a giant drop off. You start like somewhere here, it's like, oh my god, that's so good, it's so good. Okay, so good. Okay, it's good, but it gets a little boring after a while. That's my only issue. But Enjoy the white fan noise. I drank very quickly. Okay, lesson learned. Don't try chugging it. That will be unpleasant. Barely any left. That was wonderful. Holy crap. My taste buds, like, okay, so here's the updated version. And then the last sip, boom. Because like it leaves a good taste in your mouth, despite how obviously artificial it is. It somehow works to its benefit. The artificial flavoring, you know, the artificial aftertaste, it kind of works for it. It kind of does. Despite how weird it is. It really works.